Hey, maybe we got roundness in the hole. Oh, it's rusty. Maybe it. Oh, where'd it go? Oh my gosh, look guys. It's a nice large scent. Oh my gosh. Come on. I'm gonna see a day, a good day. Uh, I'm looking at maybe 1803. No. Where's this? Well, this thing doesn't focus at all. Hold on. Hey guys, we got a deep signal jumping from like pull tab nickel up to dime and penny. So I'm thinking it's probably a it's either Indian head penny or a button. Of course it could always be trash, but it was oh, it's still down there. Oh wait, here we go. Oh, it's a slug. Oh, that's modern. Oh, pretty big old boy. Alright guys. What a nice day and what a beautiful musket ball. Hey guys, I got a pull tab signal, but it's a little deeper than normal for this out here. So oh, here it is. Oh, that looks like, oh, I know what that, I think that's a button, you guys. Hold on. Oh gosh, it would be nice if it had a shank on it. It's one of those round buttons, I think. That gum. Let's see. I can't say it's definitely a button. I don't know. Huh. It looks like, I guess, a button or a little bell. Hold on, I'm going to set you down here. See if I can. I don't have anything to clean it out with. Oh, I'll clean it out and get back with you. Alright guys, thanks. It's a big one. Thanks for watching. Guys, look at here. I got a iffy signal. Looks like trash, but oh my gosh, look at this. Oh wow. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. You can't see the design on this. Oh my gosh. What an all. This is probably. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Is that beautiful or what? Wow. That's worth $1,000. Huh. I'll take a picture of it and get back with you. Hey diggers. This is Texas guy in New Hampshire. I got a signal that started out as a I guess like a pull tab, and I've been digging a lot of shotgun shells. It's still kind of bouncy, but it's deep. And it's hitting up in dime and quarter. So hold on. But it's like, it was like 6 inches deep. Alright, still in the hole. Alright, so it's in this clump. Well, I say it's in the clump. Alright, so it's right here somewhere. Oh, here it is, look. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. Dude, this is a... I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh. This has 17... What the heck? Okay, I'm not gonna rub it. For once, I'm gonna not rub something. Because this has 1770. It looks like 1772. I think I found a real, a little bitty real. Oh my gosh. I'll get back with you. I'm gonna go home. I'll get back with you. Oh my gosh, look at that.